Hello everyone, in this video I will be reviewing the 15-inch high-resolution portable display dual monitor. So stay tuned, I will share my experience and give you all the details you need to know about this amazing monitor. And let's begin now. How are you doing everyone? I'm Dario, this is MEDIABOXENT. Well, always we bring you the latest in technology, and today what we have here is a double display, and you will see those, they call it triple display, because when you're into the laptop, yes, you really have three displays, but this is a dual one. What I'm going to do, I want to show you an open box right away so you can see exactly what we get. We plug it in and I show you how the whole thing works. It's going to be an amazing display just for you. Comes in a real nice secure packaging. Actually comes with another box where you get also the nice carrying case for the display. So then it comes with a nice seal to let you know in case the seal is damaged or open, you know it's a used display. I'm just opening it already. So then when you open this up, what I want to show you, give you good information, even more information here as well too. Yeah, all details in case you have a problem. Then full guide, but we're gonna go over so you know how to do that. Comes with the screen protector. We got it right here. So let's move the display up to the side, and then in the next section, all the cables we need to connect depends what type laptop you have. Now the displays are 1080 and will be perfect in any laptop. It is a 12.8 up to like 17.7 inch. Now this will be my right size, so we can see the power USB Type-C. It's going to be on the bottom, mini HDMI and USB Type-C in video and power. I'm going to show you how that works, and that's in top side and controllers. Now if you're looking on the left side of the display, now it changed. So now power is in the top, video in is going to be right in the bottom of the display, and mini HDMI right in the center. So now let's plug in right into my laptop. All right guys, so I'll show you now exactly what I did, and Piggy decided to take over the camera. Yeah, Piggy? All right, so the way to do it is pretty simple. You're going to open this up, pay attention to the top and the bottom. The bottom needs to lock right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it down, and you see it's perfect. It locks in the bottom, so it's not going to go anywhere, right? And it stays in the front. Now we lock it, and that's exactly the only thing you need to do. So let's turn it over back again now. So now we need to connect the display, and we have different ways to connect. And I pay attention to the cables. The cables comes well marked. We can see one, it says USB powered only. So we have a powered only, USB power and video, and it's pretty simple because it's a 45 angle USB. So we have two of those. That will be the display. So in my case, I need to utilize only one. So if you have two, you can use two. And then we're gonna need one for power. Why? Because HDMI doesn't carry any power. So for that, I'm gonna use one that is USB Type A to USB Type C. So also what you get is two HDMI cable, and everything is well marked. So the beauty of this double display, or they call it triple display, it is super easy to install as I show in this video. So you have a high resolution, you got 1080 15-inch, so you can really multitask and do a few things at the same time, just playing a movie or working WordPress or whatever you have to do. Now you can utilize the triple display. Now depends what type of outputs you have running your laptop, is the cables you're going to decide to connect. And I show you pretty clear on the instructions, but simple. My laptop only has one USB Type-C, 3.1 and one HDMI. So in my case, I'm going to utilize one cable, USB Type-C to C, just to power up, like this one, like the one I have this side. It's only one cable left, you see, there's no other cable. So beauty of that, only one cable required. But HDMI, same thing, HDMI and VGA, display port, those will require power. because none of those cables carry power. It only carries video. It carries power, but not to drive one display. So in my case, what I did on the side, and let's see if I can show you that right there, we have two cables, HDMI mini and USB Type-C to an A. It's, by the way, pay attention, it's pretty clear right there. They show you like a little battery on it. So that's your power, and then they show the USB signal, and that's for a video. At this point now, I can extend, I can have a single screen. You can just do it one or whatever you want to set up at your Windows machine. Now, the nice thing with this is, can I connect other devices? Can I connect my Xbox, my PlayStation? Yes, for those remember that HDMI, so you still got power for display. I can utilize my power right from my laptop just to power out the display, and then I use my HDMI cable to plug it in. Remember, it comes with two HDMI mini to full HDMI, so you can plug your Xbox. I'm going to show that as an example today in a Steam Deck. So the Steam Deck comes with the USB Type-C as an output. So the way to do it is, this case, by the way, it has a full menu. I can control from here and change the inputs, all right? We can do that as well too. But I'm going to unplug it, so it has full control there. Now, if you see, I can still power up the display by just connecting my Steam Deck, but we don't want to do that because I'm really going to be eating the battery out of the Steam Deck. So we still want to power it up. I use that as an example. Now, a great display. So once again, you're going to be able to do multitask with this. 1080, be able to connect any consoles. Super easy to connect your laptop. So if you have 12.8 laptop all the way to 17.7, just plug it in, close it down. And the cool thing too, it comes with a nice carrying case. You have the screen protector. You have everything on the go. So if you have a portable, you have to be in another office. Now you can multitask, carry this with your laptop. You have a great display. Once again, I'm Dario. This is MediaBoxENT, and I'll see you next time. Bye.